अगर हम स्मॉल कैप इंडेक्स की लॉन्ग टर्म मीडियम लॉन्ग टर्म रिटर्न्स देखते हैं तो द कैगर इज अराउंड 18 to 20%. लेकिन 2020 से अब तक द स्मॉल कैप इंडेक्स हैज अ कैगर ऑफ अराउंड 38%. तो आपने अभी कहा कि आफ्टर दिस वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट मे बी अ 20-25% ड्रॉप, बट मतलब व्हाट डू यू थिंक गोइंग फॉरवर्ड कि कैसे पैन आउट होगा?
राइट, सो सी जैसे मैंने बताया कि ऑलमोस्ट एवरी 3 इयर्स देर इज अ पीक इन द स्मॉल कैप इंडेक्स. राइट, सो 2018 था, फिर 2021 के एंड में था, और अभी भी 2024 के एंड में है, 3 साल के बाद. बट क्या होता है कि लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स दीज आर द करेक्शंस एट द इंडेक्स लेवल. स्मॉल कैप में यू कैन नॉट बाय एन इंडेक्स. इंडेक्स का ऐसा ऑप्शन बाय करने का है नहीं, जैसे निफ्टी 50 यू कैन बाय थ्रू निफ्टी बीज. स्मॉल कैप में ऑप्शन है नहीं. So then you are buying stocks. So a lot of times when the index falls by 10-15%, a lot of stocks fall by 20-30%. And so unfortunately, if you happen to have some of those stocks, you could have much higher fall than what the index is having. Because index के पास 800 stocks है. BSE small cap index, if you see, there are 800 to 900 stocks, right? Whereas you may have 15-20 stocks. And depending on how your stocks fall, you may be falling much more than the index. So that's the risk of the index. So hence, in a bull market, when the valuations are high, one has to be extremely careful कि whichever stocks you pick, they have to be highly predictable. जहाँ पे even if economy hits a really rough patch, your companies have to be resilient. यानी वो they should be able to ride through the tough environment. उस तरह की कंपनीज चाहिए. एंड मेन थिंग इज अर्निंग्स ग्रोथ, इररेस्पेक्टिव ऑफ कितना भी खराब एनवायरनमेंट आए, एटलीस्ट जो 15-20% का तो अर्निंग्स ग्रोथ होना ही चाहिए. इफ यू आर इन्वेस्टिंग इन स्मॉल कैप्स, then you should at least target 5 to 10% higher earnings growth than the market. Market grows at 13%, on an average, but you should target at least 18 to maybe 25% kind of earnings growth. Otherwise, just because companies have fallen, क्या होता है कि in a bull market, people have been waiting to buy, because the prices keep on going up. And what happens is whenever there is a fall, फर्स्ट फॉल क्या होता है कि 15-20% से स्टॉक्स फॉल होना चालू करते हैं. एट दैट टाइम लॉट ऑफ इन्वेस्टर्स गेट एक्साइटेड कि अरे यार 20% डिस्काउंट पे मिल रहा है, एंड देन पीपल जंप इन टू बाय दो स्टॉक्स. बट इन रियलिटी most of the time this downfall lasts for 6 to 12 months at least, right? So then it may give you small pop-ups and then again it will fall, you keep on. So grinding fall काफी टाइम 6 से 12 महीना टिकता है. Currently we are probably 3 to 4 months into the fall. There could be few more months of fall. So you should be very careful and patient. Just because stocks have fallen by 15, 20, 30%, you should not just jump in, because उनका valuation already double triple है compared to where it should be. So just because it has fallen by 20-30%, it may not be good enough. So that is the thing that one has to be very careful. That if you are investing in a small cap, either you need to be, giving yourself many years of learning. उसके बाद में take that risk. In the meantime, have a combination of large caps or small caps. And as you gain the expertise, and as you understand the businesses, risks of the businesses, and once you go through a couple of big down cycles, post that you can take little higher risk, because उस time you're sort of prepared.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Please read the risk disclosure documents carefully before investing in equity shares, derivatives, mutual fund, and or other instruments traded on the stock exchanges.